Good morning. Today is Monday, November 2nd, and I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of your day today. So I'm going to put up a to-do list shortly after I make this video. So you'll look here for your to-do list, but all your assignments are in your subject blocks. So for math, you will have a video to watch. So it says click here for the video. Today we're going to be looking at part-whole math problems. So the problems today will have a missing part. So you're going to watch the YouTube video down here to look at some different problems like that. Then you will go on to Seesaw to complete the Seesaw assignment looking at part-whole problems. In ELA, you have two Seesaw assignments, and the video directions are in the Seesaw assignment. So when you click, it'll take you right to Seesaw. You'll have your assignment stretched out one. So when you add response, you will see a video direct. You watch the video, and this is where your lesson and directions are going to come from. So just watch the video, and you will know exactly what to do. And then you'll also have stretch it out two, which is the same exact idea. You're just picking another detail from your circle map and stretching it out to make it into a paragraph. For phonics, we have new spelling words, and the spelling words are found when you click week 13, November 2nd through the 6th. This is where all your spelling words will be. So write those down in your planner so you have them close by. So then when you go to Monday and look at phonics, your phonics activities are going to be on McGraw-Hill. So in class, we kind of have a video that we watch, and we do our work while we watch the video, but your assignments are going to be on McGraw-Hill. So remember, that's under English Language Arts under McGraw-Hill. And you'll do week 13 assignments. There should be 5 or 6 of them, so you could do a couple today and a couple tomorrow. But don't forget to complete those. Back on here, don't forget to do your attendance and all your Seesaw assignments, and that will be it for the day. If you have extra time, you can always practice your spelling words. You can write them into sentences, or you can just practice writing them. Don't forget to read to self for 20 minutes. You can find a book at home. You can get on Learning A to Z, or you can get on Epic to read for 20 minutes. You'll also have 20 minutes of Dreambox, so don't forget that as well. I hope you have an enjoyable day with lots of learning. Don't forget to take breaks when you need breaks. Enjoy your lunch and do a little something for recess.